So do you need the stickers and labels on your Amazon packages? Of course you do, always. I mean, there are some exceptions and I'm gonna tell you about them, but really you need always those stickers on the products and labels on the boxes that you send to Amazon. And listen to me carefully, I'll tell you why and you will understand it and you will not lose money because of some silly mistakes. And it can cost you a lot of money. So let me explain this to you. So your customer, they probably don't give a flying monkey whether they get a sticker on the box or not, or if there is a barcode. They just want the box. They want to be happy with it, yeah? Whereas Amazon, for Amazon, it's a very different story. It's, I don't know, hundreds, but definitely dozens upon dozens of warehouses all over the world, thousands upon thousands of employees, millions of product lines, I don't know how many, billions of single products probably, and they cannot afford losing a single second thinking about, I mean, they get a box from you and they need to think, okay, who is this box from? Who's that guy? What do we do with that box? What do we do with that thing? What do we do with this? They cannot. Otherwise, the packages would take forever to be delivered instead of, you know, a day or two. So the only way how they can do it is by identifying any product very quickly. So they scan it, they have a code, a barcode, they scan it and they know what it is. Same thing, if a box comes to Amazon, it needs to have an Amazon label. So I have printed a few, actually two here, and it doesn't matter whether it's the original size or you fit it in, make it bigger. Make sure that you stick two of those on a box. So I have an example, you know, it's a small box, so I can stick one here, and then my postage label, of course, yeah? So always make sure that you generate a new shipment. When you create new shipment in Amazon, when you finish, you will get a label like this. Now make sure that you always generate a new label. So to get a label, you need to create a new shipment and then you'll get a label from Amazon. It's different label for every shipment and every box, yeah? So if you create a shipment and even if it's one shipment but consists of 2 or 3 boxes, each box will have a different label. So it's important that you do not confuse them and every box and everything is labeled properly. Now, what happens if Amazon gets a box and there is no label? Well, the 2 things may happen. If you're lucky, they will refuse it, like I got here from Royal Mail, refused. I don't know why yet. I'm guessing it's because I sent stuff that were kind of loose and then they were just in some envelopes, really. So these are products in envelopes and they were probably loose and the guy took it and he's like, oh no, maybe it's broken, we'll ship it back. So I don't know. So I was lucky I got it back and it's probably, I mean, it's good for me. But I had a case when somebody sent a box in my name and they just sent the box without any sticker. And you know what happened? It disappeared without the trace. I appealed to Amazon, I provided the details of, you know, delivery, but they say, you know, you didn't create a shipment. That's mistake number 1. And there was no label on it identifying who it is. And obviously there couldn't be any label because I didn't create a shipment. However, the guy could have put a label from a previous shipment. At least there would be some kind of a clue, you know, but he didn't. So in the end, I lost the whole box. The guys from Amazon said, look, it's somewhere in our warehouses probably. Who knows where it is? Maybe it's already in the rubbish bin. Who knows? So that cost me quite a bit of money. So I hope you're not gonna make a mistake. So make sure that you stick, you know, at least 2 labels just in case, you know, so your postage label from whatever company you use, UPS, DHL, Royal Mail, and definitely Amazon shipment label, yeah? 2 of them, ideally 2 of them. Now make sure that they are also visible and easy to scan. Make sure that the barcodes are actually scannable. If you're in doubt, take your mobile phone, use an app that has a scanner and make sure that your phone can read it easily. If your phone can read it, then the scanners at Amazon definitely can read it because they are high quality, expensive devices. Okay, products. So yeah, each product needs to have a sticker on it. So make sure that these are correct and every one has a sticker. So in this case, I have stickers in forms of envelopes. Every envelope has a sticker and then I will put it in a box like this and I will send it. I will add extra padding, as I said, to avoid this flapping and so on and so on. And So any box that you send to Amazon needs to have a sticker or label. Sticker for a product, as I call them stickers for products, and big labels, although these are stickers as well, big labels for the shipping boxes, yeah? Now, when there are some exceptions, as I said. So exceptions are when you have a branded product and you can add it to so-called commingled inventory. So what it means that Amazon will mix it with products of exactly the same products from other sellers, and they will randomly pick it and send it. This applies only to new products, so products sold as new only, as far as I know. And is it a good strategy? Well, it saves you the cost of stickers, that's once, but if you start getting returns, you don't know if it's your products that are being returned or somebody else's products, or both of you, you know, or all sellers, you know, you don't know that. So I would always put my own stickers. Also, I think Amazon is slowly phasing out that commingled inventory. So just have your own stickers. There is another exception when you might not need a sticker, is when you choose to pay Amazon for putting the stickers for you. So basically, when you create the shipment and you get your labels, you stick them on the box and you put products without stickers, and you tick while creating the shipment that Amazon creates the stickers, and they will charge you for that. I don't know, 10 15p or cents per sticker, something like this, and that's the exception. So Amazon will actually do the stickers for you. So that's an option. For example, it could be useful if you want your manufacturer or supplier to send the item straight to Amazon, so you can then choose it, and then your supplier just creates a box, and make sure that you give your supplier the labels. Yeah, again, without those labels, this box will, you know, if you're lucky, you'll get it back. If you're not lucky, it will probably disappear, who knows where, never to be seen again. Now, what kind of printers and sticker sizes should you use? Well, I have already great videos about this, so you'll find the links under the video on YouTube and also in the corner cards. So click there. I explain what sizes of the stickers for each label, or for each sticker, so to say, what kind of printers I recommend. Dymo printers, and also now I recommend also Brother label printers. I'm gonna actually make a video about Brother printers as well. So if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Other than that, links to videos and products actually are in the description. Please use my links so we can both benefit from it. And thank you for watching. Take care, guys.